Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, and I'm going to see in the comment section from yesterday which was the most requested. I'm thinking it's XRP, and XRP is also pumping. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Bitcoin is now sitting at 63,900. We reached 66,000, had a clear double top right there. See that double top? A little bit higher low, and then comes down to 63. Volume is increasing, but yesterday the volume dropped off after the pump, which is not so good. Fear and greed index is now sitting at 61. Greed. So Bitcoin is sitting a little bit greedy right now. Let's jump into the charts for Bitcoin now. We're going to the chart. Right now, Tesla was down 3% yesterday off that 270. Bitcoin off 66K on the 4-hour. Let's go into the weekly. Weekly still above the 1-year trend line, which is good. Stochastic still turning up very strongly. Bitcoin indicator bot, which you get in the mastercourse, still a blue buy. Fired him back in February 2020. You get at jamescryptoguru.com. Still a blue buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot still said the sell, didn't fire the buy up there. You also get in the mastercourse. Stochastic heading up. On the daily, Stochastic slightly overbought. Volume not bad for yesterday even. And we've got this kind of sideways channel. Let's see what we can. Let's turn off the EMA. We're above the EMA, and I would say that we've got kind of a descending, broadening wedge. Everyone looks like descending, broadening wedge. Let's see if that. Yep, descending, broadening wedge, which is a bullish technical pattern, which is beautiful. We're on the first Elliott wave count of the new count after the ABC correction. We're following my first wave, and you can see this clear trend line here. This one and this one. And you can see that makes a channel. So resistance, take profit 71K. Also what this is creating a descending, broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern, which is beautiful. But expect to pull back at least to the supports. It looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Let's go closer into the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, my trade from yesterday is still the one I would be taking at 62,479, stop loss 61,995, and take profit at 88K. 72K most likely will be rejection. So I would take profit at 72K as well, like maybe split the trade in half. So I'm going to set an alert for 72K because that will be the first impulse. Let's see how, but it can easily break through there because this would be what would be the test. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the 6th retest of the all-time high. Eventually, it's going to break it, in my opinion, on this 1-year trend line. So that's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. 62,479, stop loss 61,995, take profit 88K and 72K. Risk to reward is 55 times, risking $483 to make $27,000 with no leverage. With 10x leverage is $270,000. That's the trade I would be taking on Bitcoin. And you can see my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do the same, go underneath the videos. Under this video, in the description, you'll see the link to Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus when you use their link and meet their trading requirements. Take the courses, Crypto Master Course, Laws of Money, Stock Guru Master Course, $333 each. There's 30 lessons in there to learn this in much more detail. Until you learn this, everyone, you're pretty much gambling. And then join us in the Telegram. And your comments from yesterday, I got beautiful comments. Do Solana. Okay, we'll do. Can you analyze Pocket? It's been a while. Love your energy. Keep it up, mate. Cheers. Thank you. XRP, please. James, I don't trade on leverage yet, so Bitcoin all spot. Here's the question. On spot, to take profit at 88 means sell all and buy back, yes? It means if at 88, if you're on spot, it just means selling your Bitcoin into USDT would be taking profit on Bitcoin. If I simply take profit, it doesn't seem to make sense. Just converting it into US dollars would mean you're getting out of Bitcoin and you're going into dollars, which would be like selling your Bitcoin. What will become of MCRT? The team is building amazing. You can follow them, the CEO Muxit on Twitter and magicraft.io. And the team is just building nonstop and long-term. They're focused fully on building. World is the best. Huge pump on both. World. There was some discussion in the Telegram about World unlocks. So check it out in the Telegram. They're talking about there's going to be some big unlocks on World. Why I like World is the founder is Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI. And one of the main things I look for when my companies, Guru Ventures and seed investing, one of the main things I look for is already a successful entrepreneur or founder. So Sam Altman is the OpenAI founder, the founder of ChatGPT, probably the most popular, biggest company in the world right now. So for me, it's like I feel very lucky that I can invest into his project, whether it's seed investing or buying into his token. World, I just bought on the open market, WorldCoin, WLD, but it is Sam Altman's coin. And if you think about it, normally you can't invest in Sam Altman's OpenAI, you can't invest in Sam Altman's companies because it's gated by the PayPal mafia, by the banks, by BlackRock, by all the top VCs. But with crypto, anyone can invest in WorldCoin, in Sam Altman, OpenAI founder's coin. So that's why one of the main things I look for is looking for rich, successful founders for a crypto project before I invest in them. Why? Because a rich, successful founder already made money. They're no longer trying to survive. They're already rich. They're trying to build something for the world, and they're not going to take the profit from it like anyone else that's not yet rich. So that's why I really like OpenAI, Sam Altman, co-founder. My Bybit account right now is 587. Yesterday we hit a peak of 593. So it went from the beginning of the week, it was 522, now 587. So this week I made $65,000, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade is $20,000 in the profits. If you remember, it was negative $24,000 at one point. Now it's $20,000 in the profits. Yesterday it hit $30,000 in the profits. So Bitcoin is having a little bit of a pullback. Let's jump into XRP, because a lot of people on socials, not just that tweet, were asking me about XRP. And also it's breaking out right now. You can see XRP is up. It's breaking out. If I go into the weekly charts, look at I charted. What is this pattern, everyone? Let me know in the comment section down below. What is this pattern? And what does it mean? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will pick one winner tomorrow for $100. What does it mean that Bitcoin, what does it mean that this is happening on XRP? What is this pattern and what does it mean? And let me know in the comment section. I'll let you guys answer yourselves. And again, the courses, the links down below, the Telegram, you can join them and discuss in there as well. Let's read some more comments. Well, thank you. You're my spiritual guide in the crypto world. Thank you, Bittrex Ups. Do you think it will come back to 62? Very possibly. That's why I've got the trade down on big supports. Review Solana. I'll do Solana tomorrow. Solana, Jamesy, limit orders on World. It was at 170 that I entered. James, isn't it better to long Bitcoin with Bitcoin instead of USDT for gains on gains? Same with shorts. Doesn't affect the liquidation price in favor. Yes, you can. If you long with Bitcoin, longing Bitcoin with BTC, if the price of Bitcoin goes up while you have your active trade, you're actually making more money and your fees are less. But there is some higher fees. That's why I usually do Bitcoin USDT as well. It's the most liquid, it's the most actively traded position. Love you all. Thank you for the questions. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Comment down your answer down below. I'll pick the winner for 100 USDT tomorrow. One winner for the pattern of what I showed you before on XRP. Love you all. Have an amazing day. And also put what the pattern is, what the pattern means, and what the target of the pattern is. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.